was talking about that one. I thought that one was Lieutenant.
Miss Mike Epps.
Oh. I'm sorry.
I'm from All About the Benjamins. And then this is Martin.
Damn.
And Red Fox.
I fucked that up. My fault.
Yeah. I get where you get that from.
He just looked like he got assassinated or some shit.
I know. I mean, shout out to my tattoo artist. He's dead.
Yeah, that's very bad.
Yeah.
That's disrespectful, dude.
What part?
Cause how you gonna do Mike that? Like, that's fucked up. That don't look like Mike.
He ain't done with him. It's All About the Benjamin. Remember when like 15, 20, 37? Yeah. And then I didn't get to finish the name because it hurt it.
I ain't even pay attention. I thought that was just a Nike sign.
Okay.
I thought it said Nike.
Okay, well, since we've been